Well, thank you, Katie. That wind, I mean, it was just whistling last night. It's understandable that the power would go out with as strong as it's been. That's included on top of the planned outages by Excel. Denver 7's Allie Jenner-John is tracking the unplanned outages this morning. And Allie, what can you tell us? Are things improving or are they kind of still the same?
Yeah, well, good morning. You did mention all those whistling winds, and I actually woke up to them last night. And my dog did as well. He was not thrilled. But this is a widespread weather event. I want you to take a look at the map I have behind me. This shows outages. I'm focusing right now in the Wheat Ridge area heading into Golden. We're seeing multiple red dots here, and these red dots are each outages that have impacted more than 2,500 customers. A couple of them are seeing around 4,000 people impacted. One of them up towards the right is seeing about 5,000. If we're looking at the current view of the map, so consider everything on your screen right now. Xcel Energy is reporting 131 outages affecting a little over 26,000 customers. So we actually decreased those outages since we talked to you last around 7. When I zoomed out and looked at our entire state, I saw over 700 outages, close to 800 at that time, and over 153,000 impacted customers. Also worth noting, Wanya, I know that you mentioned some of these outages are preemptive ones. That was done by Xcel Energy to help mitigate the risk to the public.
Yeah, definitely mitigating the risk. However, I know some people definitely want to get that power back on. Thank you so much, Allie, and welcome to the team. South Metro fire officials have some safety tips to keep in mind that you should keep in mind, rather. If you lose power this morning or if you're waking up without power, if you're oxygen dependent, be prepared with enough spare bottles to last you today, or consider staying with family, friends, or in a hotel. There's also still a risk of fire, so avoid things that might start a fire, including using a gas stove to heat your home or using outdoor stoves indoors for heating or cooking. If you're using a generator, keep it outside in a well-ventilated area away from windows, please. Now I want to get out to Denver 7's Adria Irahita. She's been in Littleton all morning and she is tracking wind damage. And Adria, in between the shows, I understand that 2 trees crashed into 2 homes in that same neighborhood you've been able to track down this morning.
Yeah, Wanya, this neighborhood was hit particularly hard by those winds, but let me give you a look. This is definitely the worst that we've seen all morning. This house here in this neighborhood near Santa Fe and West Mineral Avenue, this tree that was in their backyard crashed into the house, and it went through the roof there.
All right, and we do apologize. We're going to come back here to the studio. We're having some technical difficulties with Adria's live shot. The live equipment does work off of cell phone technology, so as you can imagine, a lot of people are on their cell phones right now. We're going to try to get that back up for you. Let's move on now, won't we?